Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your article direct into a video file and able to promote CPA offers. So before I start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe it now and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get new tips and updates daily. First of all, you have to select your offer, what you want to promote. Then suppose your offer is valid for United States, then go to Google and find the cities located in United States, and then search for the latest news based on that location. Like I'm here searching for New York news. Here copy the article and headline from the top news. Paste that article body text content in your text-to-speech voice recorder. Here I am using natural voice recorder, and download it as MP3. After that, collect all the article-related copyright-free video clips from Vidzi. If you can't find any related clip, then you can use copyright-free images from Google search. Put all the images and clips into your video editor. Here I'm using Camtasia video editor. It's very easy. Give all those images animation touch so that those will look like a moving clip, and use annotation text to give your viewers better understand about your video. And finally, bring the recorded MP3 file in your editor and merge it with your image clips and render the video. Give the video file same name as the article headline and upload it into YouTube. YouTube video uploading is very easy, that's why I'm not showing it here. And the most important part is that you have to give your offer promotional link into your YouTube video description each time you make a new video. Just shorten up your offer link and give it in the top after your headline. I hope this video will help you. Give like and motivate me and support me. Hit the red bell icon to get notification and see my latest video. Thank you.